So, what exactly is Bharatpe? Bharatpe is a popular fintech company set up in the March of 2018 that provides fintech products to Kirana store owners and small merchants in India, such as QR codes for UPI payments, small business financing, and Bharat Swipe for credit card acceptance. Bharatpe was started by Ashneer Grover, Bhavik Kuladia, and Shashwat Nakrani, out of which Ashneer and Shashwat are IIT Delhi graduates. In an interview with the Times of India, Ashneer, the managing director of the company, said that they had started Bharatpe in 2018 with the vision of building it as an end-to-end financial services platform for merchants. They were the first to build an interoperable QR code that could enable merchants to accept payments across a range of wallets with zero transaction fees. Bharatpe made a huge leap forward when it got a rare banking license from the Reserve Bank of India, becoming half owners of a bank along with Jaspal Bindra's Centrum Capital Limited in 2021. This was an SFB license. SFB is short for Small Finance Banks. These banks perform basic services of depositing and lending and aim to provide financial inclusion of all, including MSME owners, small and marginal farmers, and the unorganized sector's entities who are not yet served by other banks.
The Bharatpe revenue model depends on providing its consumers with a digital payment platform and also has got a separate app for its merchant friends where the company credits them for their transactions digitally as mentioned above. It sails for providing credits to the merchants with cheaper interests. Unlike Paytm and PhonePe, Bharatpe is not a wallet. It is a payment solution application exclusively designed for merchants that can accept payments from any UPI payment app through the QR code. Bharatpe's core offering, which fills its coffers, is primarily from providing fintech and payment solutions to merchants in Kirana stores. This, however, brings a little margin for the company. The primary margin comes from the lending and merchant-oriented products of the company. Its offering of small loans to merchants is a big source of income for the company, alongside it investing and operating income from postponing in 12% club. Merchant payments and financial services provider Bharatpe has raised $370 million in a primary and secondary mix as part of Series E funding round, making Bharatpe the latest entrant to India's growing list of unicorn startups, with its valuation rising more than threefold to $2.85 billion in 6 months. Bharatpe in the plans focusing on 3 segments: merchant lending, consumer business, and the Unity Small Finance Bank. The firm's target segment includes about 65 million MSMEs in India that employ some 80 million people. The firm is tapping on the opportunity to address the unmet credit gap of $1 trillion in MSMEs in India. All in all, Bharatpe has managed to establish itself as a premier fintech company and small finance bank through shrewd business and marketing strategies, and despite it being embroiled in controversy, we don't see it stopping anytime soon.